Hello and welcome to the course tutorial for Psych319. I'm going to give you a brief orientation to the online website. Sorry, but part of the right-hand side of the screen is a little cropped, so I can make this video a tiny bit smaller, but this is probably what you see when you first log into the site. I just want to start off with the left-hand side here. The first thing you should do is go to the Start Here section. This is where you find the tutorial that I'm talking about now. As well, in the future I'm going to post some other things that will help you get oriented to the site and specific assignments and things. Announcements. Each week I'm going to roll out a new announcement that will tell you the specifics about when assignments are due and things that might not appear in the course syllabus. So check this every week. Here is my profile. And what you'll find here is relevant ways to contact me. I prefer that you contact me through the course website, and we'll get into how you can do that. As a second resort, you can use my email. As a third resort, this is my voicemail. You can leave some voicemail here. My office, if we have in-person office hours, I have office hours on Tuesdays from 12 to 3. You can go here and I'll be sitting there waiting for you. And I have some additional personal information down there. Course documents is where you're going to find the most important aspects of the class here. We have the course syllabus, how to set up your CogLab account, which is required for completing the laboratory experiments. I also have a lab report worksheet, which is what you'll complete your experiments with and submit them to the website, as well as some helpful hints on how to succeed in the course. If you click on lecture slides, you can download every single lecture in the course. Right now I only have the ones without audio, but I'll soon be posting some with audio week by week, just like this particular demo you see now. In the assignments section of the website, you'll see a bunch of, as I scroll down here, a bunch of weekly labs. So every week we'll complete a lab, as well as a group project and an individual project. Each of these lasts 9 weeks. If you click on that folder, you'll have an orientation on what to do for the project. Scrolling down, there is a rubric, how the project is graded, some samples about how you can complete your project, a group evaluation, and various due dates associated with completing the project. So, for example, doing results and discussion, rough drafts, so on and so forth. I'll explain these week by week. There are many ways to communicate in this course. You can communicate directly to me and other members via email inside of Blackboard. I'll get to the discussion board soon. Up here, this is the same tab as announcements on the far left. We have a very fun collaboration tool that allows us to do virtual classrooms and chats. And this is a very important part of the website because you'll be doing group projects. So if you go into the group pages section, you'll notice that there are different groups. You'll be assigned to one of these groups, and inside of each group there's a bunch of tools for communicating with your group members so that you can collaborate online together. The discussion board is another very important part of the site. I ask that when you start out, the first thing you should do is just press the welcome, please start here, and just respond with a brief hello, read this information, just so I know that you made it to the website okay and I don't have to chase you down. This is where you can post questions about the course if you have them, and we have a social forum over here, and then week by week we have individual questions that you should be answering, discussion questions. You can click on those and respond to those. In external links, I have some useful links. The CogLab website, this is a website where we'll be completing our laboratory experiments. If you press on that, it launches a new browser window, and each one of these is an individual experiment that you'll complete online. The OWL at Purdue is an extremely useful resource for writing papers. This website is a very shorthand version of how to write APA-style formatted papers, and I'll talk about more about that in the weeks to come. Tools has a number of useful things as well, including how to view your grades. You can set up a profile for yourself, and even a task manager so you can keep up with the class and understand Blackboard in general. Blackboard has a course manual that you can see here, or a user manual that you can use in case you get stuck anywhere. And then finally we have the Assessments tab. The Assessments contains all the weekly quizzes we'll take, as well as the exams for the course. These are discussed in detail in the syllabus, but other than that, they're pretty self-explanatory. When you click on them, it launches a quiz, and you take the quiz each week. So I know this is a really brief orientation, and I know you probably have several questions about how things run. Please read the syllabus and all the instructions that you find at various points in the website here. You can always email me if you have additional questions, but the syllabus should contain a lot of information that will help you out. Thank you very much.